Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So guys, the hair look bad, the ear look bad. It might not look bad to some people, but to me it look bad. Today makes 14 days to be exact since I did my hair. It's been 2 weeks and frizz kill me. But why it got so frizzy was because I washed it when I got back from Detroit. I washed the braids. So you know, once you wash braids, that's gonna happen. This has been one of my favorite protective braiding styles that I've ever done. Well, these are spring twists. Go check out that video how I did this hairstyle, and go check out this video why I did this hairstyle. It's time to go. Let me show you. It's a going bad. It's going in bad. It is time to go. But I love it. I really do love it. Like, it's so easy to just maintain and just like handle. But she has to go. Plus, I wanna do a length check. I haven't done a length check in a long time, because I know I haven't been taking care of my natural hair the way I'm supposed to since 2021 started, but I'm trying, guys. So we're gonna unravel this, take it out, get rid of it, and see what we're working with under here. I have my little plastic bag here to put the hair in because I don't want to make a mess. I have a scissors and 3 comb, 2 rat tail comb and that big comb. Okay, let's get started. It's almost night time and I want to wash my hair. When you're taking out your braids, you twist anything, just be careful you cutting your hair, because every single time I'm taking out my protective style like braid styles, I cut my ear and lose my length when I want to check. I don't even know where to start, because say this hair looks like my hair even when it's frizzy. Like, I don't even know. So I know when I stretch my ear, listen, I'm just gonna start cutting it under boobs. I know my hair is not this long, but every time somebody take out the ear, I cut it. I'd rather to be safe than sorry. It's twists. I could just cut the ends, because if you watch the video when I did this hairstyle, you know that I tied the ends, so I have to cut that part so I could do this. My friend Nina, yeah, look, I'm like, I cut my ear already, the first one, but this is just the piece at the end that I attach, because it's 2 different here. Let me say, go check out the video, guys, if you want to see how I do this. What? Ray, I tell you, say girl ear reach somewhere down there. Alright, so my ear reach there, so exactly on the boob. I'm at boob length and I thought I wasn't taking care of my hair. Why, that ear could have fooled me. It is getting taken care of. It's growing. Talk to me people in the comment section. Your girl ear are grown. But that's why I'm gonna cut it under the boobs, because girl don't know where the rest of her ear there. Oh yeah, the back and the front right here longer than the middle. That I remember. Alright, so I could see if them 2 are the same length. I could see if we're on the same page. Oh no, this side longer, this side actually longer. You know why one side longer than one? Because I keep cutting my hair when I'm taking out braids, and that's why. Look, see, this the up here, so this the down here, so oh lady, let us keep going.
Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Yeah, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off.
So lazy me, gonna do 3 at a time for now until I reach 5 at a time, 10 at a time, 20 at a time. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna sit here and cut 1 at a time. I got to go. I got to wash my hair before night come. You know us island people, well, Jamaicans, don't wash your hair at night. You gonna catch cold. That's stuck in my head from a child till now, so I just don't want to do it. If I tell my mom right now that I'm washing my hair 7 o'clock at night, you gonna hear, why you wash your hair so late for? Blah blah blah. Yep. Okay, so I'm done with the twist, the back half. So now I have the cornrows braids to unravel. All right.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you push me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl. I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Never gonna not hit that. Your love ain't a stress to me. And every time you hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm a runner boy. 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 Girl, you used to being quiet till I brought that loud. You say your dollars is a mountain, and your mama your accountant. You watch your figures, you a big deal. Got your fresh prince and a big wheel. Hold a mink coat, that's a big kill. Put you on the phone like a windshield. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah. Never gonna not hit that. Your love ain't a stress to me. And every time you hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm a runner boy. 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 I'm a runner boy.
On the boss, don't Griselda go off. Left from the loft and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my core. Not to drop an album, this is my fourth. I don't put sugar in my spaghetti.
So I'm all done taking out my braids. Yo, I have a lot of shedding. When I say a lot, listen. So now I'm about to go wash my hair. Whew. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna be using the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, also deep conditioner. I have it here as well from Aussie Miracle Moist. And I have 2 videos, actually more than 2 videos about these products, these Aussie products. So go check those out. Anyways, I'll be back when I wash my hair and do some plaits for stretch. Be right back. Alright, KK squad, so I got done washing my hair and I did some plaits just to stretch my hair a bit. So tomorrow I'll be styling my hair, so stay tuned for that. So KK squad, it's a day later and I forgot to come and close out the video taking down my braids. This is the day after and this is the hairstyle that I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.